Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a BAT sandwich. Alright, first thing we want to do, as you can see, I got some extra thick cut bacon. I cut the pieces in half, and now we're going to bake them in a low oven at 300 degrees. And now I've got a griddle with a little bit of the bacon grease on it, and now we're going to start to toast up this bread. I've got butter on the side that's down on the griddle, and I'm going to add some mayonnaise to the other side of this here bread. This is it's called Vienna bread, but it's basically the Italian loaf at your local grocery store that they sliced up. So, a little bit of mayo. Be careful not to burn yourself on the griddle. All right, next step. Okay, we've got a panini press going, and now we're going to add some arugula to this. And let's add about 4 strips of that bacon. I did add some pepper to the bacon. You obviously don't need to salt your bacon. So, well, what the hell? You're going to add 4, add 5. So 5 strips of bacon. And then we're going to add a couple of slices of wonderful beefsteak tomato. See? It's a BAT. It's a bat sandwich. So a couple slices of tomato. And then we put the top piece of bread on. And now we press down the panini press. And then just give that a couple of minutes. Okay, and after a couple of minutes on the panini press, that sandwich is done. Nice and golden brown. And I guess I don't know if this is a BAT panini or a BAT sandwich. I'm not sure what the difference is. Like, seriously, just because it was put on a special grill, the sandwich is now a panini? If I did it in a fry pan, would it have been just a fried sandwich? Would it still been a sandwich? Anyway, that's a BAT sandwich. Done. And I know the arugula looks kind of wilted, but trust me, it was absolutely delicious. So, like I said, these did not last all that long. All right, till next time.